Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In southern Taiwan Hakka villages, bantiao is called mianpa, which means towel, since it looks like a towel when it's freshly laid out. You may add this rice concoction into soups or fry them. Different cooking methods give different flavors. Every area adds different seasoning or ingredients when making them.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係練習書. And today we're going to continue to talk about food right here. We've been talking about a lot about the Dragon Boat Festival, about rice dumplings. We also talked about a very special rice dumpling called 板粽。今天呢，就顺便就是再把这个板这个东西呢提出来好了，因为小弟本人呢非常喜欢吃板条，
真的哦，
这是客家的精髓之一啊，对不对？This is a very special rice noodle. It's actually the Hakka rice noodle, and we talked about it, how they actually use this for rice dumplings as well for the Dragon Boat Festival. But today I want to talk more about what else is different and what else you can do with rice noodles, the Hakka rice noodle. 所以我们再教一次这个板条，客家话怎么说？
半条
哦，就半条。
对
，OK， 挺蛮简单，半条。
但是北部跟南部说法不一样。
Oh really? Okay.
南部叫做面趴半。
哦，差这么多。面趴半，
面趴是什么东西呢？
面趴手帕，
就是洗脸的毛巾。
我猜的差不多哈。
对，
是毛巾的意思。
对啊。
哦，为什么？因为它长得像毛巾吗？
其实板条它做法是，它用一个很大的一个像一个容器，正方形容器，然后把那个米浆倒进去之后蒸熟了，然后再把那一层薄薄的一层一片一片这样折叠起来，然后最后呢，就像了一个那个洗脸的毛巾。
看起来一定很 Q 啊。
对呀，当然喽，
对不对？ So okay, in the South, they actually have a different term describing the Hakka rice noodle. It's called
面趴半。
面趴半 The reason it's called 面趴半 is because it looks like a towel. 面趴就是毛巾的意思。
对。
When they first make it, they have to put it into a container, and then they pour in the ingredients, and it's going to look like, a towel, and then they fold it up and then make it into the actual rice noodle. In the South, they call it
面趴半。
面趴半。所以这是南部的说法，那北部就是板条这样子，
就半条。
板条 ，OK. And if you get a chance, really, you should try it out because it comes in different forms. 有的时候这个板条呢是加入汤里面，有的时候是干拌，有的时候是快炒，反正有很多种方式。
对，就看你喜欢吃哪一种就怎么煮，
或者是吃我们的板粽。
板粽也是 OK 啦，
也是 OK 的，对不对 ？For this month, yeah. So there you have it. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么Hakka？
俺只say张来了 and I'm gonna go eat some Hakka rice noodles right now.
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affair.